Hello, students. Welcome in this session of statistics for class 10. Today, we will see uh, the cumulative frequency curve, which is popularly known as ogive. So, it is pronounced as ogive, and since it is related to cumulative frequency and it comes as a curve, so it is also called cumulative frequency curve, and popularly, as I told you, it is known as ogive. It is of two types. One is called less than type ogive, another is more than type ogive. Let us take one question to see that how these two types of ogive are drawn for the given grouped data. Also, how the central tendency median is calculated from this ogive, because median is only the central tendency which can be obtained from graph also, that is this graph, cumulative frequency curve. So we see, taking one question is here, which contains two columns, class interval and frequency. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and the respective frequencies are 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 2. So we want to draw its less than type ogive first. For this, what is required here? First of all, we have to change this table, given table, which is actually a frequency table, into cumulative frequency table having class interval in less than fashion, less than type. That is, we want to change the given class interval and frequency in the form of less than to the class interval and frequency into cumulative frequency. So how this will be done? First class interval is 0 to 10. So it is actually less than 10. If we say less than 10, then the complete class interval covers under this statement that it is less than 10. Similarly, for second class interval, which is 10 to 20, if we say it is less than 20, then it covers the whole class interval. In this way, the further class intervals would be written as less than 30, less than 40 and less than 50. Now one thing remember here, less than and more than, when the data is in the form of less than or more than, then it is always associated with cumulative frequency. It is never come, it doesn't come with frequency. Less than and more than always follows with cumulative frequency. This is to remember. Now, since our data now comes in the form of less than, so there must be a cumulative frequency, and this you can memorize very easily. Just cumulative frequency, it will be made from top to bottom. That means you have already seen cumulative frequency in making the frequency or changing the frequency into cumulative frequency. So first one is remains 2 here, and the second, for the second it will be added, so 2 and 3, here it is 5. For third again 5 is added with 4, then sorry, 5 is added with 6, so it is now 11, and then 11 will be added with 7, that is 18, and 18 with 2, then it is 20. Now we have the table required containing less than in group and with respective cumulative frequency. Now we will take this less than on x-axis and cumulative frequency, corresponding cumulative frequency on y-axis. Then we have the pair of 10, 2, 20, 5, 30, 11, 40, 18, and 50, 20. Now what we will do, we just draw the x-axis and y-axis, and distribute them uniformly as shown here. So after distributing, we will take these points which are written in the ordered pair way or coordinate fashion. So we take 10 with 2, 20 with 5, 30 with 11, 40 with 18, and 50 with 20. And the point so located here, it will be joined by free hand, not using the ruler, by free hand from one with other, and so on. So we will get a curve like graph, and it starts from lower point and goes above, upward. So such ogive is also called rising curve. That is, less than ogive is also known as rising curve. So here first point will be at the bottom, then next point above that, further next point above that, and so on. It goes on increasing. So this curved line which is indicated here, you see here it is written that less than ogive. So this curved line is actually less than. Now the question is how median will be obtained from this graph. So for this what we do, we take the sum of all frequency in the question, which is here 20. Then we will find n by 2, that is 10, and now this 10 will be surged in the y-axis as here done, and from this 10 we will draw a perpendicular, or you can say parallel to x-axis, a line just to touch the graph at a point, to touch the curve at a point, and from that point if we draw a perpendicular to the x-axis, then it is the value of median of this data. And we can see here it is touching almost at the value 29, so we have got the median 29. So I hope students it is clear. Now we will see the next, that is more than type of ogive. So for this again we have a question here. Draw the more than type of ogive. Just a minute. Both are the figure of less than type. So here it is not given. Both the figure are of less than type. Okay, no problem. So we will see in the next video. So hope student you have learned the drawing of this less than type of ogive, and you will solve the question given in the book. And if any doubt will be there, we will share it again. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, make a and share with